Hi, I'm Angela. I'm the Pelvic Health Therapist at Women's and Children's Center. So why does stress urinary incontinence happen? It's because women who had delivered experience weakness in their pelvic floor muscles, couldn't contract, they couldn't squeeze the particular pelvic floor muscles whenever there's stress from the abdomen. This usually happens in the event of sneezing, coughing, jumping, laughing. So if you are experiencing issues like incontinence whenever you sneeze or cough, please consult a pelvic health therapist. There's postnatal checkup, simple pelvic floor muscle assessment to allow you to have an insight into your pelvic floor muscle strength. We will provide and plan a tailored treatment program to recover your pelvic floor muscles.